everybody? Thank you for joining me for another tutorial on SWELLEnterprise. Today we're going to dig into notes. So in order to get started, go ahead and click on the three dots in the upper navigation here, or if you've already shortlisted that on your sidebar, you can navigate to it from there. And what we're going to do is click on the Organization tab here. From here you should see the option to view notes or create a new note. So we'll go ahead and dig into new note for right now. Now this is just one way to create and manage notes in the system. Once you click on this, you can attach it to pretty much anything, a client, a lead, contact, project, even workflows, proposals, etc. So just start typing the name and you should see it automatically fill in there for you. Otherwise, click on New in order to create a new resource. And it's pretty straightforward from there. You just give the note a title. So we'll say example title. And then you can give it a brief description here, or a lengthy description if you choose, but you do have this rich media toolbar here where you can embed like images or create tables and bold text, italicize, etc. Once you're done, just go ahead and click on Create New Note, and that should show up for you in the View Notes section. So let's go ahead and dig into View Notes a little bit. What you're seeing here is all the different notes that we've created in this test system, but you can separate this by projects, client notes, notes that are attached to tasks, bulletins, boards, cards, etc. So again, it kind of gives you a very easy way to kind of view all of that information relatively easily, but you can also get to this and see notes specific to any of these resources directly from those sections. So what do I mean by that? Let's look at clients, for example. If I go to View Clients, most of these screens have this rich table here where you can easily add new notes just by clicking on the plus icon, or you can see previous notes that you've left before just by simply clicking on the title. Now, if I were to open one of these, for example, you also have the option to view and create notes from this section. So you'll see here the notes box, and this specific client doesn't currently have any notes, but if I need to add a note, I'll just go ahead and click on the three dots and then click on Create Note, and this will allow me to create a new note for this example. And so you can see how fluid this can become for you. Again, I'm just showing you clients here for an example, but the same would be true if you were looking at contacts or leads or projects. So there really is a very robust note-taking system throughout the whole application that you can utilize. And I'm just showing you kind of a piece of that right now. Mainly, you'll want to look at it from the Organization, View Notes, or New Notes section, or you can simply get to it from any of the individual screens or the table screens that I've showed previously. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach us at the bottom right-hand corner of the chat window. We'd love to help you. Thank you for watching.